It's a hot girl summer. Hey, yeah, it's a hot girl summer, baby. Passport stamped, hair done.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are installing our wig like a TikTok baddie. So I have a hack that I've been wanting to try for a really long time. It's not my hack. The creator's name is Amanda. I'll put her TikTok on the screen, y'all. But she takes got2b glue, she sprays it in a container, and then she lets it sit overnight for I don't know how many days. She does one day sometimes, and then some days she does multiple days, and she just keeps refilling it, but she keeps it covered and stuff. So I sprayed mine into this little shot glass, and I didn't do mine overnight. I did it earlier, and I blow dried it a bit because I think what you want is you want like the alcohol and all the water or whatever to evaporate from the product, and it makes it thicker, and it's like it's not as runny. It's like kind of thick. Mine is not as thick as hers be because she does let hers sit overnight. But I thought about it today and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try it. I wonder if I could speed up the process by blow drying it. So I blow dried it and it's been sitting for a little bit. So it is way thicker than it was because it was complete like water, like complete slush. So it's a little bit thicker now. I might blow dry it a little bit more just to see if I can get it more like jelly because hers be looking kind of like gel. But she puts this on, y'all, and it melts her wigs so freaking good. So I want to try that today. I'm also doing this at nighttime so that I can really let it sit and melt, and then I'll come back in the morning and like do my full makeup and stuff. But it's 10 o'clock right now, y'all, and I want to try it. So the wig that I am putting on today is from WowAfrican. So yeah, let's see. Oh, they gave me another band. I needed one of these. And y'all know I love me some leopard print. So I got me a little band and the whole little kit with the clips and another toothbrush, which I always need. So let's see. So this is what the unit looks like. Gorgeous ombre. I'm doing all blonde, y'all. I'm into blonde right now because I keep telling y'all I am not going to do my own hair. So we're just going to play with the wigs. That's what they're for. It's cut and I don't believe it's going to go all the way down to the ears, which I'm okay with. I hate the ear tabs. I think it's just going to stop like right above here. I have all the details down below for you guys, and the hairline is plucked really good. It's bleached really good, and the knots are so freaking tiny. Like, they're so small. It has these clips, the snap clips in them on the sides. Like by the ears on both sides. No comb in the middle, no comb in the back. This is a size medium, so they have little tags in there now. Has this. That's it. Really simple. Should I see if it's glueless first? Oh wow. If it's good. We still gonna melt it like a baddie, but let me just show y'all this, cause what? It's giving baddie fresh out the box. And I don't like seeing fresh out the box stuff because I'm always gonna tweak it a little bit, okay? Still needs to be tweaked just to get the lace to be a little less ashy, but look at this fit, y'all. This fits so good, even without these clips. They're too far on my wig cap. If you don't want these clips in, they're attached by 3 pieces of thread. There's like some little holes in here. You could just cut these threads. This one right here and then 2 right here. Just cut that thread and you can pop these out. One of the best things that I ever start using for my wigs is the Perfect line, y'all. I love this stuff so much, and it makes my wigs look so realistic. Like, I feel like the parting area is one of the main parts that give the wig away. And I use the shade tan. This one is out, y'all. I've been out for a long time, so I am literally scooping it. It usually comes as a tube, but they do have a scoop one now. But I'm just putting this in my parting area, adding a little bit of oil, and it makes a world of difference. Watch my wig cap disappear that you seen earlier. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is I want to pluck the hairline just a little bit. I don't want to overdo it at all because I feel like, I said this before, but I feel like in person, the wigs with fuller hairlines look more natural than the ones that are overplucked. Like the overplucked looks really good on camera in front of all of the lights and stuff, but once you step into natural lighting, all of that is lace. Once you pluck away the hair, you're just exposing lace. And if it's not melted, like you can melt onto your forehead and you can melt if you do the ball cap method. I told y'all I don't do that method no more. But if you can do like that, then yeah, you can put your glue and stuff all over the cap and melt the lace back as far as you want to. But if not, then all that lace is being exposed. And I don't like that. So I'm just going to pluck it just a tiny bit, mainly focusing on this area right here. I don't really care about the size that much. They can stay full and they actually look okay. Just going to worry about this middle part because I am doing a bust down middle part. So once I can locate my tweezers, I can pluck. So I'm just going to section out just a tiny bit in the front to pluck.
It's a hot girl summer. Hey, yeah, it's a hot girl summer, baby. Passport stamped, hair done, nails done, money long. Let's go. Woke up, checked the account, had to smile at the screen.
So I have it plucked just a tiny bit more. Now I can go ahead and clean my hairline. So I'm starting on a bare face anyway. When you do makeup, whatever, y'all, at least wipe your forehead where you're applying your adhesive because that stuff gets so nasty and gooky. You could just save yourself a headache. So my face is clean, but I still have moisturizer and stuff on. So I want to make sure all of that is gone. So I'm using this alcohol to wipe my face off, or like my perimeter. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my little mixture. I've never done this, y'all. Ah! It's sticky. So I'm kind of doing a sweeping back motion, so I'm making sure like my baby hairs are out of the way. But y'all, it is so sticky.
Everybody talking big, but they ain't living the dream. Booked a flight with my besties, now we headed overseas. Matching fits, matching shades, catching views by the sea. Got the girls in the section, got the bottles on ice. Everybody looking good, yeah, the energy right. No stressing over no man, got my focus on me. If he can't add to the lifestyle, then he ain't what I need. We outside, we shining.
Do y'all see that? Thank you, Amanda. Because of what? It is very sticky though, so once you put it in place, that needs to be it. It is so sticky.
Every city got a name, got our own money flowing. Baby, we are not the same. It's a hot girl summer.
I'm not mad, y'all. I am not mad.
Getting money, getting fly, taking trips every month. Got our hands to the sky. Girl summer, whole crew looking expensive. Main character energy and the confidence endless. We that girl, we that girl.
Okay, I'm gonna tie it down for a second. It's dry enough to tie down because you don't want it to be wet when you tie it. Okay, so I had that melting for a little bit. Now I can go ahead and take the band off and then do this one.
We that girl. We that girl. We that girl. Can't tell us.
Okay, so it's still giving a little ash. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix some foundation with the melting spray. Literally the tiniest amount. When I say the size of a pin drop, the size of a pin drop. Barely going to squeeze it. Can y'all see that little drop dangling from there? Gonna just dab it on the side of the wall. Like, can y'all see this tiny amount? I don't think y'all can see it. That tiny bit amount right there. You can always add more, but you want to start out with as little as possible. And you can see it's kind of tinted now. And then you want to start on a corner that's not going to be seen first, so you can make sure it's your right match.
In this world, private dinner by the water, taking pics at sunset, manifesting everything and somehow getting more yet. Girls tripping the group chat, everybody booked and paid. Independent women only, baby, that's the vibe today. New city, new outfit, new memories to make. Celebrating every win because we know what it takes. Built it from the ground up, now we living what we pray. Got the receipts, got the proof, baby.
So I'm using this middle one. Okay, now I'm going to take a tiny bit of bronzer in this kind of fluffy brush and just lightly, when I say lightly, tap it in and dust off the rest, and then like just really just hit like the edges of the wig, okay? Not too much, y'all.
We getting paid, we outside, we shining. Every city got a name, got our own money flow.
Just want to clean up the edges a tiny bit.
Baby, we are not the same. It's a hot girl summer. We getting money, getting fly, taking trips every month. Got our hands to the sky.
Make sure it is not sticky to touch at all, or when you pull your band off, it will peel it and leave little like dead skin crumbs everywhere. But it's really the glue peeling up, so it does not, like when you push it, you do not want your hands to stick to it at all. Okay, so because this is the first day and I really want this to melt, I'm going to sleep in my band today. I do not like sleeping in these, y'all. I usually just sleep in one of my bonnets that look like this, and then it has like the long little band in the front that you can tie, but I want to make sure that this is melted. So oh, I popped the nail off too. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and I want to show y'all what the wig looks like before I do my makeup and stuff. So let's see. I always hold it right here just in case it's stuck and I don't want it to, like, I don't know. Oh, I need to put my nail on. That's what we're working with. It looks pretty good to me. That looks really good, right? I'm not tripping. So not only does Amanda's hack melt the lace really good, but y'all, this thing is stuck. I feel like it's not going to move at freaking all. Like, it is on there, okay? So I went ahead and threw some curls in it using my T3. So this is the switch kit, and I used the medium barrel and then added this Tresemme holding spray just to give it a little bit of hold, y'all. But after that, I end up adding some layers to the front and then curling it again, and then that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something or have something that you can use from this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
Summer, whole cool looking experiences, main character energy and the confidence endless. We that girl, we that girl, we that girl, we that girl, we that girl. Can't tell us nothing in this world. To the girls who work hard all year, it's your season. To the girls who want the ticket anyway, it's your season. To the girls building businesses, getting stronger, getting richer, getting prettier, it's your season. It's a hot girl summer. It's a hot girl summer. Money coming from all sides, living life with my besties and we loving every night. It's a hot girl summer. Got the world in our vision. If we want it, we go get it. It's the whole mission. We that girl, we that girl, we that girl. Hot girl summer forever.